Hi, I'm Sherwin. This tutorial is for the dance Gives Me Shivers, choreographed by Brandon Zahorsky. It's 4 walls, 32 counts, improve a level, no tags, no restarts. It does have some kind of alternate choreography, if you will, in the last count of 8, depending on the music. And all 3 versions of that alternate choreography are really simple. So let's just learn the dance, have some fun. Turn my back so you can follow along. Starting on that right foot, we're going to do a little jump forward, right, left, and a 1. You're going to hold 2, bounce your hips to the left, 3, right, 4, start to the left. This is basically a counterclockwise circle, 5, 6, 7, 8, but you can also take that kind of like this first bounce that you do and go 5, 6, 7, 8, depending on what feels more comfortable for you. Starting from the top. Right leg, 7, 8, and 1. Hold 2, hit 3, hit 4, left, back, right, and forward. Second count of 8, take a right foot over for a cross rock. You're going to go rock, recover, take it to the right for a triple, right, right. Same on the left, cross rock, left, recover, and on this triple, take a quarter turn, so you're at 9 o'clock. Okay? So one more time for that count of 8. Right foot goes over. We have 1, 2, side, 3 and 4, crossing 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third count of 8, stepping forward with a cross touch. Right foot goes up. 1.2, left foot, 3 and 4, jazz square, quarter turn. You're going to take it over, back, side, and cross. So you're where you started. That third count of 8 again, you're at 9 o'clock, you're standing on your left foot. We have right point left, left point right, right, back, out, and over. Last count of 8 is going to get us to our new wall, which is going to be to the 3 o'clock. Step to the right and go step, touch, left foot, step, touch. And then we're going to do the easiest version is a grapevine, back, side, quarter, forward. So let's do that one more time. 6, 7, 8. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The other version that we do 3 times goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rolling grapevine, quarter, half, half, forward. And you're traveling to your right, so you're going to be following your right shoulder around as you do that turn. All right? Now I'm going to go back to the beginning and do the whole thing with the rolling vine, and then I'm going to show you the version that would do most of the walls, which is different than the vine and is actually easier, but I'm going to show it to you. Okay? So from the top with the rolling grapevine, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Hold 2, 3, 4, take it left, back, front, out, cross, rock, triple out, cha, 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 cross, rock, triple, quarter turn, 7 step, point goes 1, 2, 3, jazz box, quarter turn, 6, 7 step and tap, go 1, 2, 3, 4, we go right and left and right and left and 1. And you start it again. Now, through most of the dance, at different walls, you're going to hear with the chorus, there's a real strong bass in the music where you hear bump, 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 pretty strong on 5, 6, 7, 8. And instead of doing a grapevine or a rolling vine, we do a little jump. So it looks like this. We'll be going 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can do it on 2 feet, which would be jump, 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 and then you just jump it right out to start on the 1, so you kind of don't get to that and 1. The other thing that happens, that some of us end up doing, instead of doing a double-footed jump, after you go 1, 2, 3, 4, you start traveling and you end up being on your left foot and you kind of circle your arm, and then you go jump to start it. So you're jumping, hopping on 5, 6, 7, 8, and you just pop it out on the 1, as opposed to and 1, which is where it starts. I know that sounds kind of complicated, but with the song, it goes so well, and you're gonna hear it, and it's not gonna be a problem, I promise. And guess what? If you end up doing a vine or a grapevine instead of a jump, doesn't matter, it works out totally the same. So, I'm gonna tell you what the recommended choreography is from the choreographer. He gives a recommendation on where that goes best with the music. And you're probably not going to remember it right away, and that's okay, but I'm going to say it. At walls 1 and 6, this is 1, this is 6, you do just a basic grapevine. And you can hear that because it's kind of the first one is the first wall. And at wall 6, it's basically starting for the music, it's starting the next verse. And so it makes sense. And then following each of those walls, 2 and 7, is the rolling vine. But there's also one rolling vine at wall 11. What? Every other wall is the hop, hop, hop. Now, you're going to hear in the lyrics, you'll hear when he's singing about it gives me shivers, and you'll hear shivers. And that will always be on a bum, 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 it gives me shivers. Actually, I just did the wrong side, right? So, yeah. So when you do the, 1, 2, 3, and 4, shivers, cha, cha, cha. You'll hear you can add a little shimmy on the word shivers, if you'd like to. So it's really nice because it's a basic line dance with a lot of really fun places for flair. Okay? So I hope that kind of makes sense. We're going to dance it. Hopefully I will do the recommended choreography at each wall and my brain doesn't go up. But even if it does, the choreo works just fine. Okay? So I'm going to turn around so we can dance together, and let's get started. Okay, here we go. Here it comes. Right foot first on 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go, and 1. Hold, bounce. Cross it out. Step point twice. Box. Step tap, and just a basic grapevine. And 1. Point. Now you go rolling vine. Step point. Here comes the top, pop. We're going to keep hopping on this one. Here we go. Now we're back. This is the first time we're singing this verse again. So this is going to be a plain grapevine. This will be the rolling vine. kindly to please do so and pass the word. Please feel free to like the video and leave comments. I love that. Share it, let everybody know about it. And most importantly, I teach here in the Los Angeles area at the BL Dance Hall and Saloon, also, I'm winded, also known as Borderline. And I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and I hope to see you on the dance floor. Thanks again.